Welcome back, dreamers, and today we take you through the amazing transformation of what we're calling our view garden. This is going to be great. Let's get into it. Now first up, we're going to clean out the debris of where the path is going to go, so we've got a nice hard foundation for the granite to be laid upon. Now I like to give the path just a last spray with weed killer, just to kill off any weeds that may be lying underneath. Now this is the mulch we're going to be using. It's a hardwood wood chip. Now we use this for a couple of reasons. One, it's going to last a lot longer than your normal sort of organic or forest mulches. And we also use it for our pest resistance. So being a hardwood, it's less likely for termites or white ants to want to come into this area. So as you can see, we started putting our hardwood wood chip mulch on, and I think you'll agree it's looking absolutely lovely. The hardwood mulch is going to keep the moisture in the soil, and it's going to deter pests like termites or white ants, as well as giving it a really nice decorative look. Okay, so I just want to share why we put a garden through this area. So these big grevillea trees here, they used to suck up a lot of the moisture. As well, it was fully in shade out here nearly all day, so the grass really didn't get a chance to grow. And in the future, when we extend the kitchen, there'll be a large bay window here. So the view that's going to give us out here and then out to the Billabong is going to be absolutely beautiful. And this seat we've got here, as we have with other things around the property, we've used the reclaimed wood that was left here by the previous owners. I think you'll agree, comes up an absolute treat. Nice, easy, simple. Well, I think you'll agree this has turned out really, really nice, from that old drab, dull area out here that couldn't grow any grass to what we've got here now. A place you'd really like to come out here and relax and enjoy the view. We look forward to the other transformation projects we're doing here on Billabong Views, so make sure you're sticking around to check those out. Well, I hope you're enjoying the challenge as much as we are to bring it to you. Make sure you're subscribing, get your friends and family subscribing, and we'll see you next time on Billabong Views. As well, it was nearly fully in shade whenever we As well, it was nearly fully in shade out here all the time, so the grass, pests like white ants or termites, from wanting to nest in there. The hardwood mulch is going to keep the moisture in the soil, and it's going to deter the hardwood. As always, make sure you're subscribing, get your friends and family. As also, make sure you're subscribing, get your friends and family subscribing. As always, make sure you're subscribing, get your friends and families. From our pest resistance. So this stuff, shit. Use it for a couple of reasons. One is it definitely. So first up, we clear out any debris that's where. So first up, we clean out any debris of where our path is going to go to give our path is going to go, to give the foundations of our path is going to go, to give a nice hard. Now I always like to give the path. Now I always like to give the path a last spray with weed killer, just to kill off any organics that. Now I like to give the path.